Hey ho, yay bo, good times are coming, good times are coming, so cheer up. Let's be carefree and start a humming, then all your troubles will clear up. Make life a song and a dance, give care a swift kick in the pants. Just yell and tell the world you're happy, good times are coming, so cheer up. Trouble's over, found a four-leaf clover and a horseshoe right outside my door. Old man Gloom has given up his room as Lady Luck is courting me once more. My face can't grow long, gay blues the so long, great days are now in store. Hey ho, yay bo, good times are coming, good times are coming, so cheer up. Let's be carefree and start a humming, then all your troubles will clear up. Soon brighter days will be found, give all your cares the run around. Just yell then tell the world you're happy, good times are coming, so cheer up. Fun song from 1930, right after the big crash of the stock market, a year afterwards. So people must have been thinking positively, or who knows, maybe it was the media attempting to cheer people up. Imagine that. Let's see, nothing too difficult about this song. We got a C minor, which is open 1-1-1. We have an F minor, which is open or 1 open 1-3. And while we're thinking about it, we have an F minor 7, which is 1-3-1-3, and an F minor 6, which is 1-2-1-3. So when you have that F minor 7, we can slide down the ring finger to the 2nd fret. And let's see, I think that's pretty much it as far as unusual chords. The way I have my song sheet written up when you print it out is, I'll just pull my little cheat sheet down here and show you what I mean. When you print it out, you're going to see, if you print color, there's black, blue, and red verses there. And I do that to save paper so that I don't have to write out this whole chorus each time, giving you this second line where it changes in the chorus. So the first time through it's the black, second time through it's the blue, third time through it's down here and then into the red. And the way the sheet music is actually written is you play this verse, then you do the chorus and you repeat, you do the chorus, you repeat, you do the chorus, each time changing this third and fourth, let's see, it'll be 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth and sixth line, changing that line. So you go 1, 2, and 3 after doing that intro. But what I did was I mouth trumpeted, went through, came back up and sang it, went through, and then I think I might have finished, but you can go through again without really thinking about how I did the video just now. But that's why I have the different colors on here, is to help save paper. So you should be able to print it out on one sheet. This I printed out on 2, so it's big enough for me to be able to see a long distance away. So yeah, it's a fun song from 1930. Like I say, nothing too difficult, just some goofy F chords there. And have fun with the song. Go over to UkesterBrown, get the song. It's called Cheer Up. UkesterBrown.com. Remember, they're a framework for fun. So have fun with it.
Cheer up, trouble's over, found a four-leaf clover, horseshoe right outside my door. Old man Gloom has given up his room as Lady Luck is courting me once more. My face can't grow long, gay blues the so long. Great days are now in store. Hey ho, yay mo, good times are coming, good times are so cheer up. Let's be carefree and start a humming, all your troubles will clear up.